I'm walking down the street in Tokyo and I just found a fresh squeezed orange juice machine. Have you ever seen anything like this? And I absolutely love fresh squeezed orange juice, so of course I have to try it. It's only 350 yen, which is only about $2. Let's try this out. You can even smell the oranges. It smells so good. I can't wait to see what this tastes like. How cute is this little dancing orange? Oh my god. Look, there's ice in it. Can you see the ice? Oh wow. It's definitely fresh squeezed orange juice. It's not a gimmick. It's so good. Every city needs fresh squeezed orange juice on the street like this.